Consignments, practical problem and solution. Dear students, today let us solve a practical problem on consignment accounting. Illustration. On 10th June 2021, Model and Company of Bombay consigned 100 cases of red wine to Vasi Brothers of Ceylon. The cost of the consignment amounted to 7,500 rupees, but the goods were charged at pro forma invoice price so as to show a profit of 25% on sales. On the same date, the consignor paid 600 rupees for freight and insurance. On 1st July, the consignee paid 1000 rupees for import duty, 200 rupees for dock dues, and remitted a bank draft for 4000 rupees as an advance against the consignment. On 15th July, they sold 80 cases of the consignment for rupees 10,500. Vasi and brothers are entitled to a commission of 5% on gross proceeds of the sales as their remuneration. Show the entries in the books of consignors and consignees, assuming that the consignees have remitted the balance owing by them by sight draft. Solution. Let us solve the problem each activity wise as under Activity 1. On 10th June 2021, Model and Company of Bombay consigned 100 cases of red wine to Vasi Brothers of Ceylon. The cost of the consignment amounted to rupees 7,500, but the goods were charged at pro forma invoice price so as to show a profit of 25% on sales. The goods were consigned at a pro forma price, that means 25% profit on sale price. That means sale price is 100. If the sale price is 100, the pro forma profit is 25%. Cost of the consignment is 7,500. So if they 7,500 and rework out back, the cost price comes to 10,000 and the 25% of 10,000 is 2,500 is the pro forma profit. So now the journal entry for this will be consignment red wine debtor to goods sent on consignment being the value of consignment of pro forma invoice price. On the same date, the consignee paid 600 for freight and insurance. Consignment of red wines debtor to bank. And third, on 1st July, the consignees paid 1000 for import duty, 200 for dock duties. Consignment of red wines account debtor to Vasi Brothers, because Vasi and Brothers have paid this amount. And remitted bank draft of 4000 as an advance against bank account debtor to Vasi Brothers 4000. And 15th they sold 80 cases of 10,500. Vasi Brothers debtor to consignment to red wine. 6. Vasi Brothers are entitled to commission of 5% on gross versus of sales as remuneration. Consignment to red wine, this is an expense, so we have to debit consignment to red wine debtor. The commission is due to Vasi Brothers, so we have to credit Vasi Brothers account 525 rupees, 10,500 into 5%. Finally, we need to write back the loading of profit on invoice 25% back, which is 2,500. Goods sent on consignment account debtor to consignment to red wine 2,500, being 25% on sale price originally added to the invoice. Cost of the whole consignment now returned back. 2. Record unsold stock at pro forma price 2,000 rupees. So, stock on consignment account debtor to consignment to red wines debtor being the value of consignment stock at pro forma invoice price 2,000 rupees. 3. Write back the 25% profit loaded in the stock value. Stock value is 2,000 rupees and the 25% loaded will come to 25% of 2,500 rupees. The journal entry will be consignment of red wines account debtor 500 to consignment stock suspense account 500, being the excess value of closing stock of consignment now adjusted. Finally, record the final remittance received from Vasi Brothers 4,775. Bank account debtor 4,775 to Vasi Brothers 4,775, being the remittance of balance from them. Ledger accounts in the books of consignor. Consignment of red wine to Ceylon account. On the debit side, to goods sent on consignment 10,000. Bank to bank, freight and insurance paid by the consignor 600. To Vasi Brothers, duty dock dues paid by the consignee 1,200. To Vasi Brothers, 5% commission 525. To consignment stock suspense 500 rupees. On the credit side by Vasi and Brothers, gross proceeds 10,500. Stock on consignment account withdrawal of extra load 2,000 rupees. Goods sent on consignment account 2500. The gross profit transferred to profit and loss account on consignment 2175. Next, goods sent on consignment account. On the debit side, consignment account 2500 to trading account transfer 7500 by consignment account 10,000 rupees. Vasi Brothers Ceylon consignee account by bank remittance 4000, by consignment account duty and dock charges 1200, consignment account 5% commission 525, and on the debit side, consignment account gross profits of sale 10,500. The balance 4,775 is the final draft that is sent by the consignee to the consignor in final settlement. Note the following points. The stock of consignment will appear in the balance sheet as 1,500, that is 2,000 minus the credit balance of 500 on consignment suspense account. At the commencement of the succeeding period, the stock on consignment account will be closed by transfer to consignment account at Rs 2,000. The credit balance on consignment stock suspense account will remain there during the whole of the succeeding period, at the end of which it will automatically adjust the excess debit included in the first item on consignment account, and as a result of the opening stock having been valued at pro forma invoice price. Consignment stock account will appear like this: to consignment account 2000, balance carried down. Consignment stock suspense account by consignment account 500, to balance carried down. Journal entries in the books of consignee. No journal entry will be recorded in the consignee's books for item number 1 and 2 because these two belong to the consignor. On 1st July, the consignee paid 1,000 rupees for import duty and 200 rupees for dock duties. Total 1,200. For this, in the books of consignee, journal entry will be debiting model and company consignor account with 1,200 rupees to bank 1,200 rupees. Item number 4. Remitted a bank draft for 4,000 rupees as an advance against the consignment. So, debit model and company consignor account to bank 4,000 rupees, being the amount of bank draft remitted as advance against the consignment. Item number 5. 15th July, they sold 80 cases of for rupees 10,500. So, bank data 10,500 to model and company consignor, being the sale proceeds of sale of 80 cases. Item 6. Vasi Brothers are entitled to commission of 5% on gross profits of sales as their remuneration. Model and company consignor account debtor 525 to commission 525 rupees. Show the journal entries in the books of consignor consignee, assuming that the consignee have remitted the balance showing by them by side draft. Such model and company debtor to bank 4,775, being the remittance of the balance due to them. Ledger account in the books of Vasi and company consignee model and company account. To bank advances 4,000 rupees to duty and freight commission 1,200 to commission 525 rupees. By bank sale process 10,500. By bank balance remitted 4,775. In the next lecture we will discuss about joint ventures.